Good morning, and welcome to MarineMax, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to take a quick walk through our 2020 25-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. Take a look at how we optioned this boat. It is in our showroom. You can see it has a light gray hull, white bottom. It does have the windlass, the radar, the full windshield. We'll go inside and take a look at the other options. As we enter our 25-foot Boston Whaler, see the boat does have the new 225 Mercury outboards, rod holders in the transom, live well, walk through transom, take a quick look at the boarding ladder. This boat does have a second live well, cup holders, has an aft seat which does fold out. We did bring this boat in with full electronics, has two 12-inch Raymarine GPS screens, VHF radio, Fusion stereo, has a smart box with the USB charger inside, tilt helm, overhead storage, very well thought out, ready to go. I'll take a quick walk around the boat. It does have jump seats on the side. Does have a marine head. There's your electronics box, your battery switches, storage, seating forward. Once again, the windlass. Core underneath the front seat, wiper, forward lighting, underside of the hardtop is gray to match the hull. Once again, there's our jump seat in the side. Boat does have fish boxes, tackle storage, bolster style upgraded seats, rod holders, tow rail and rod storage. Forgot, push button starts. There's a remote for your VHF. It's that new wireless remote. But the boat does have outriggers, 5-rod rocket launcher on the back. It's a quick walk through. Boat is in our showroom here in Ocean View, New Jersey, easy to see. Any questions? Please call or email us. Thank you.